All right, guys, so today we have some pretty cool stuff ahead of us. I'm actually heading to next city over to humidity. Hang on. Okay, heading in the next city over to help my buddy Anthony build a really wicked gaming PC. He got his tax return and he just went all out on a gaming PC, and car is actually really dirty. It's really nasty weather here. It's been storming all night, but yeah, all this crusty broke stuff is about to go away because today we are going to go pick up our new bumper. Now the new bumper is not painted and I don't have the grills or any of that stuff, so we're not putting it on the car yet. But anyways, the new bumper came in and we're going to pick it up. And yeah, so cool, some cool stuff ahead today. So stick around, and appreciate you guys for watching. Always got to start the day off with a nice cold drink, and we have the Baja Blast here today. This stuff tastes really good. They actually have a 0 sugar version that I'm actually looking very forward to trying, because, you know, drinking soda is not very healthy, but the new 0 regular Mountain Dew is actually really good. So try it out, guys. All right, guys, so finally made it home, got everything here. So let me show you guys. Got that new Toyota 86 bumper, got that new Chewy package that weighs 8 million pounds, courtesy of the FedEx driver. But no, this is the new Toyota 86 bumper. So for anybody not familiar, you can definitely look at the bottom of it and you can tell it is a lot more aggressive compared to the front of the regular FRS bumper. So give me a second and I'll actually put the two side by side and show you. As you can tell, the grills are a lot different. The FRS is just a plain straight grill. The front end of the FRS just all around is just plain compared to the 86 bumper. It's just a lot more aggressive. People call it the shark mouth and all that kind of stuff because, like, the mouth is angled more aggressively. It looks like it has teeth. And then I plan to run a lip or splitter on this thing. So if you have any favorite recommendations or anything like that, let me know. And then I'm gonna just get fog light covers for this thing because, like, there's two models of the 86, one with and one without fog lights. The one without fog lights just has a plastic vent clip that clips on over that, but I am going to inevitably run the LED fog lights that you can get on these things as well, because I already have the switch and stuff like that made and mounted into my car. I just don't have it installed. So I will inevitably upgrade to those, and hit me up and let me guys know. Let me know what you guys think I should run as a badge. Should I be one of those posers that runs a Toyota badge on this thing, even though mine's an FRS? Because I do fully intend to put the OEM Toyota 86 gauges in my car, so everything in the car will say 86. So let me know what you guys think I should run. But just to compare the side profiles of this thing a little bit, give you guys a little bit of a comparison. Alrighty, well that's pretty much it. I have some more stuff that I'm going to be getting on the way here soon for this. So I need to get the fog lights covers, I need to get the grill, and I need to get a badge. I guess the badge can probably wait, but oh, and I'm gonna need side marker lights because the car wash robbed me of one of mine. And yeah, so anyway, this thing's gonna need a little bit of work because it's not painted. And this is in fact a brand new from the dealer OE bumper. It's just a little dusty, I guess, from, it's probably been sitting in a warehouse if I had to guess. But yeah, so anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. This is just a really short one, but it's to give you guys a taste of what is to come. If you guys have any recommendations on a lip that I should run, hit me up. Side skirts or whatever, also just let me know. I do plan to run the RB V2 ducktail wing. That's the one that pretty much comes straight up off the back of the car and also mounts on the back side of the trunk. And then we're going to be getting this thing wrapped as well. So if you have a preference in color that I should wrap this thing, let me know. I have a few colors in mind that I want to do. I would like a metallic purple color, or maybe there's this satin metallic gray semi-gloss wrap that 3M makes that I also really like. But either way, for the amount of money that it's going to cost me to get this bumper painted, it's not that much more for me to just get the whole car wrapped, or to buy enough wrap for me to wrap the whole car, because I'm pretty confident that we can do it. All the body panels on this car are pretty straightforward, except for the bumper. The bumper is probably going to be the hardest part, but seeing as how it's off the car, we could take it inside and do it, so it shouldn't be an issue. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting. You can follow me on Instagram at mellow_2jz. And yeah, other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Peace.